Handwriting recognition is a primary feature of MusicJOT. Although you can also enter music using the palettes, it is the handwriting which is the most natural and fun. To enter handwriting mode, simply tap on the pencil icon in the upper right. The button will light up indicating that handwriting is on and the display will change its texture to resemble a piece of paper. Note: you cannot have both palette and handwriting modes active simultaneously. Notice that two context-sensitive buttons have appeared at the very bottom left, Hints, and Respace. Hints shows a quick overview of the symbols that can be recognized, and Respace. When you start to write in a measure, the measure gets a darker overlay texture pattern. Enter notes, slurs, accidentals, clefs and other music symbols with your Apple Pencil, then tap anywhere outside of the measure to have MusicJOT render your handwriting immediately. You can only write and render one measure at a time. You can also go back and add to an already rendered measure, but you cannot add or scratch out existing beams, or flags. A normal workflow would be to write in a measure, then tap in the next measure, which will both render the first measure, and get ready for writing in the second. You can delete by scratching out a music symbol. To be recognized, make the scratch large. You can also select music by circling notes and tapping on delete in the context-sensitive menu at the bottom of the screen. When selecting this way, the circle must extend both above and below the staff and be fully closed. MusicJOT holds the measure width static while you move from measure to measure so that the bar lines don't shift as you write. This may create measure crowding as you near the end of the measure. To respace the music, simply tap outside of the measure to render, then continue to write in that measure, or, you can drag the bar line in the measure bar to the right. If you are using two voices, MusicJOT renders each voice independently before switching voices. And finally, if would like to draw a slur across two or more measures, simply do so. MusicJOT will accommodate and render the slur.